Welcome back. In this video, we are going to create a custom function to format date. So we can use a package called moment, or is it date dfs, or I forgot. These are the two popular packages we can use, but in our case, we're going to create our custom function to do that. So let me show you how we're going to do that. So let's go to utils here, and let me call this one date formatter .js. As that, hit enter. So it's going to be a function, right? So const date formatter is equal to, and this one going to accept a date that you want to format, right? And then here comes the logic. So let d equal to what? New date, and then you pass in the date, okay, like that. And then let year, so like I said, you can make this one use a package to do that. We're going to use new and then intl from JavaScript is a global variable function dot date time format, and then you want to accept this one in English, right? And then you pass in an object and you specify the year supposed to be numeric, right? So if you make it numeric to be a number, and then on that make it as what? Format it dot format, and then you pass in your day. So now we got our year. Let's get our month. So let month is equal to, so the same process, date the format the same way we did for that. So let's copy this one. Sorry, is equal to that, and here gonna be month, okay, and then the month is what? Short, just one. Let's say it's just one, January for one, and pass in the day, right? You format it as that, and the last thing is going to be the day. So we can copy this one, all right, copy this one and paste it here, and let's call this one day. So day here is not month, but instead it's a day, right? And it's also for day, make it 2 digit, right? 2 digit, and then you pass in the format, the date that we get, right? So we got our date, pass in the date. So what has left is what? Let's return from this function. And remember, return the formatted one, then we inject some temporary literal dynamic values here, and you pass in our day, the first one, depending how you want to arrange it, and then space, some dash, and then pass in the month, okay, and then month, and then sorry, it's not like this one, but it's like this, month, and then space, and then the year. All right, you pass in the year as that. So it's date. If you look at the final one, we have what? We have the day, month, and year. And too short, make it long, make it September, or like that. Okay, so let's export this. So export default, and then the function is going to be date formatter. So where do we need it? We need inside the expenses content data. That's where we have the individual expenses. So let's require it here as a function, utils. And where do we have the date? Here. Let's pass in, wrap it inside it, like that. Moment of track, lack or truth. Check it out and let's see the final one. There we go. Automatically it has formatted it. We see that. Okay, so now we've gotten all the tools, update everything for the expenses. So for the income, it's gonna be the same thing. Okay, so if you want to try this on your own, you can do it. So in the next video, we are going to work on the income, all right, creating, and we're going to do some copy and paste to make our life easier, because it's going to be the same format. The difference is going to be the text, and that is it. So catch you up in the next video.